This is the original Doom. I'm going to play it inside every random app I can find to see which one is the best. You probably think, oh, PDF is just a boring document for taxes, for example. Wrong. You have been scammed. Apparently, this PDF file contains Doom somehow. I guess let's open it up. How does this even work? I mean, this is completely insane. It's running around 40 FPS, as you can see. Sometimes it dips 17 FPS, but overall it's running pretty well. PDF, B tier. Microsoft Word. Boom. Virus detected. Threats found. Boom. Let's try again. Yes, it works now. Now, before we launch it, we have to go into the properties and we have to unblock it. Apply. Okay, I guess let's launch it. Security warning. Macros have been disabled. Enable? No way. It runs so smooth. Like, really smooth. Boom, boom, boom. Next time your teacher asks for homework, send them this Microsoft Word S tier. ChatGPT. Okay, this one is crazy. To make this possible, we have to go into the settings, apps, advanced settings, and we have to enable the developer mode. Boom. Now we can create an app. Let's name it Doom. And into MCP server, we have to paste this. Everything still should be working absolutely normally. But now if I type Doom, I should be able to play it. No way it's working. I mean, it also has sound. It's running really well. Absolutely insane. Boom! Eat shit. I gotta be honest. ChatGPT easy S tier. Now, Minecraft is a little bit more complicated. We have to build a PC. I have prepared everything already. So obsidian goes into the corners. Daylight detector on top. Clock. Glass pane. Compass. And stone button. And we get the ordering tablet. Now from here we have to wait for the satellite to arrive. We should be able to catch it pretty quickly. Oh, it found one. Satellite found. Connect to the store using enter. Okay, so what do we need from here? A 32-bit motherboard, 4 GB of RAM, a GPU. Let's also get the keyboard, mouse. Oh yeah, let's get the wall TV. Payment chest arriving soon. Oh my god. Look at this. Please insert 8 iron ingots by clicking this chest. Boom. Let's right click it. Okay. But where are my items? Oh, something is arriving. Is this our loot? 9 items in chest. Collect by clicking. Boom, 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 boom. First, let's add the TV. Keyboard, mouse, PC here. Looks pretty good now. Let's add our 32-bit motherboard. Let's add our CPU, GPU, hard drive, and RAM. Okay. I have selected the ISO. I guess we can turn this on. Something's happening. Oh my god. No way this is working. Doom.exe. I hope this works. Enter. No way. It's actually working. I mean, it's not running amazing, but we're running a complete operating system on this computer. It's pretty insane if you ask me. Minecraft B tier. Okay, this is where things get weird. This webpage is made 100% out of checkboxes. The game is pretty much running by checking and unchecking them. This is absolutely insane. Is this the enemy? Oh yeah, it is. If you're dead, it's almost impossible to see where I'm going, but oh my god, is he dead yet? Oh, he's dead now. Is it fun? Not really, but is it the most chaotic thing ever? Yes. Checkboxes F tier. Now, if checkboxes weren't bad enough, get ready for emojis. Yeah, these are all little emojis. This is beautiful. Oh, where is the enemy? Oh, it's right here. My eyes are starting to hurt. Wait, did I kill him? I can't really tell. I guess it has some color, so it's a little bit better than checkboxes, but overall, emojis, I would say C tier. Roblox. Let's search for Doom. This one looks right. Play. Roblox is a blocky game for kids. I love this game. It is my childhood. Nah, we're cooked. We're actually so cooked. No way this is running. How is this running? It actually runs really well. Boom. Honestly, I'm amazed by this. Roblox A tier. Blender. This is the app for making 3D models. Oh, look at this. This app is insane. Doom_playgame.blend. Open. Click pulse. I guess let's run it. No way. This feels so illegal. Blender is supposed to be for work, not for gaming. Also, my PC sounds like an airplane right now. But, I mean, overall, it runs pretty good. Blender 8 tier. Time to go old school. Windows Terminal. Boom. Wait, I don't fully understand what's going on. No way, I can see it now. Okay, this is crazy. What? And it actually works. Oh my god, it's really trippy. But I mean, it's actually playable. I feel like I'm some kind of hacker in the movie right now. Oh, I suck so bad. I mean, I gotta be honest. Absolute cinema. Windows Terminal B tier. Google Sheets. Now, how the hell can you play Doom on this? We have to paste this into the code.js file. And we also have to create a new HTML file called index.html. And we can paste this, which does something, I guess. Ah, boom, running script. Something's happening. Oh my god, this is absolutely insane. Can I play it even? Every pixel is a cell in the spreadsheet. I mean, productivity is down to 0. Also, the performance is not the greatest. It runs like, I don't know, 2 FPS, which I would say is not playable. But overall, I think this is the most insane thing I have ever seen. Google Sheets, C tier. VSCode. Now, if you don't know what VSCode is, this is pretty much where programmers pretend they write code. But instead they play Doom. And we can play Doom by going into the extensions and searching Doom. VSCode Doom. Yes. Because if something exists, then it runs Doom. That's absolutely correct. Press Ctrl+Shift+P and execute the command open Doom. Let's try. Open Doom. Oh my god, it runs perfectly. Now I know what programmers actually do. Instead of writing code, they play Doom every day. A perfect way to ignore your boss. VS Code 8 tier. Browser console. You know when you accidentally hit F12 and this weird hacker menu opens up? Yeah, we're gonna play Doom inside of that. Start Doom. Boom. I feel like my browser is dying. This is absolutely insane. Oh no. It runs pretty well. There are some spikes, but overall, I mean, it's pretty awesome. Easy. Browser console B tier. Now, this is the most insane thing ever. Look at the top of my browser. The little tab icon. Wait, I need to lean in. Yes, that tiny dot is Doom. This is the most insane thing. I honestly, I can't even see what I'm doing. Page unresponsive. Okay. I mean, how is this little thing crashing my computer? Browser Favicon F tier. This is Doom Eternal. Now, you have to complete few missions before you can actually play Doom inside Doom. Now, if you go into this room, they actually hid the full original game inside the new game. To actually play this, we have to insert the secret code, which is... Now we can play Doom inside another Doom. This is now Doom 2, but I mean, it's still absolutely insane. Huge respect to the developers for actually doing this. Doom Eternal S tier. Figma is for UI designers to make apps, but today it's a gaming console. Let's search for Doom, the ultimate Doom. I mean, it's running on a separate tab and it runs very smooth. Die. I mean, if you get bored designing things, you can play Doom directly inside Figma. Designers, take notes. Figma 8 tier. QR code. Someone fit Doom inside a single QR code. I don't know how is this even possible. It's running Doom on a QR code. I guess let's scan it. QR code. Open. Okay, this gives us some data. What do I do with this data? Do I insert this into my browser? Okay. I mean, I die instantly. Okay. What the hell is going on? But I mean, this game was entirely inside a QR code. It's kind of insane. It's pretty hard to control. And also it's not exactly Doom. QR code F tier. Wordpress. Apparently WordPress runs 470 to 580 million websites globally, and you can run Doom inside WordPress. I have installed the Doom plugin already, so we should be ready to go. Let's view the page, and yes, it's embedded to the website. It's running perfectly well inside WordPress. Very easy to get running, and it's very cool. Wait, let's explode this. No, we can't. Very easy, very clean. Boom. WordPress solid 8 tier. Scratch, the website where 8-year-olds learn how to code. And you might ask, what are they coding? Well, blood, cuts, and shotguns. Let's search for Doom. Okay, there are a bunch of versions. Let's try this. What the hell is this? I'll be honest, this is kind of shit. Let's see if there's anything else. Doom. Okay, this is more promising. It looks kind of like a Doom map. I mean, not really, but it resembles it at least. Oh, I can just go through the walls. Okay. I mean, the map is there, but there are no enemies. Also no guns. Can we at least complete it? Okay, it's completely empty. I mean, this is really not playable. Scratch F tier. Telegram. This is the chatting app and I have a Doom chat here. And now if I click this button, we should be able to play it. Okay, it's launching. Okay, this is Doom 2, but it's totally playable. I mean, it's definitely working. It's in this kind of weird resolution, but overall definitely playable. And it runs pretty smooth as well. So Telegram, I would say B tier. Apparently, you can play Doom inside Reddit. Launch Doom. Yeah, I mean, it works. This is running inside Reddit. Scrolling Reddit just got 100 times better. There is no lag or anything at all. It actually runs pretty smooth. Yeah, I'm kind of amazed by this. Reddit A tier. GitHub Readme. You know those README files that explain how software works? Well, this one lets you play Doom inside README. Which episodes? Select. Shoot to start. Oh, so these are individual images, I guess. I mean, it's kind of pain in the ass to move around, but I gotta be honest, it's the best documentation ever written. Oh, we are inside the wall and all the enemies are already dead. I mean, this one is creative. This is the best documentation ever written. It's not exactly playable, so GitHub F tier. And finally, just a normal web browser. No tricks, no weird hacks, just a classic Doom running on a website. I mean, it's perfect. It never gets old. And it runs incredibly smooth as well. Oh, and I can use my mouse as well, which makes it a little better to control. Web browser S tier.